Morning everyone, another day on it. So today I've got some exciting things to show you, a few accessories and that. So there is my Susie board that I picked up yesterday. Name cut in it, all the lights in it. Rear light bar cut out, nice. And the dog. Storm, come out of the way. So if you're wondering why the corners are like that, all will be revealed. So I got some little brackets to weld in there. But yeah, I'll tell you all about that. So well happy about that rear light bar. And the main little bit are these here. Sit on there for the new air tank brackets. So they turned out well. So now I've got to place the old ones by it. Like, is it that one? Might be that one. I think it goes that way. Yeah. And we got to cut all these little saddles off and weld into here. So obviously we couldn't press them in there because obviously they have one press, that's one bit of metal, see? So yeah, see if we can't get that done. And try and see if we can repair that. I bought some scrap metal with me, so hopefully we should have enough or a bit to do it with. So we have it, got me square cut out. I did line it up before I cut it, so that is the shape there that I want. Obviously I've got to watch because it's pressed here, that, but that's the edge of the press bit there, so I just might have to shape it a bit there for it to come up over into there, but we'll see, because we've got to get that roll onto there as well, get that lit. Yeah, we'll cut that out, see if we can marry that up. There we go, got me bit of steel, that'll fit in there, rolled it as well. That'll line up with there. So yeah, we're just grinding little loose bits off to let it in. And then tack weld it in there. What do you reckon? Not too bad, eh? So that's tidied up pretty well. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So now what we're doing is obviously those valves that sit in here. So there's one that sits there, one that sits there, one that sits there, but obviously with that hole it was rotted, so that's the surviving piece. So what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to line it up so that is on line with the old brackets, so that would sit there. Then there's a plate, that bracket there, that sits over there, bolts in down through there. Now with my template, I've just realised I've cut them out for the rotted out gap. So what I've done is, instead of butt welding them, I'd like a nice roll like that. So I thought if I put that there, eye that one up, and I've got some tin, just a bit more, just cut that out, which is bigger than the original, so then I can fold it, so it'll be folded about that much down, and then I can weld all along there onto there like that. So if we line that one up like so, I reckon that's got to be lined out a bit. So that one goes like that on there. Yeah, that fits fine. Oh, Wally, of course it is. Of course that one ain't gonna fit because he's too big. I haven't folded it yet. So that's got to go somewhere there, yeah? But I reckon if I draw a line on the top to eye it up, and then I'll be able to draw me other little template onto there so I get that measurement, and then I'll be able to fold it, I'll be able to work the fold out then, won't I? Just get a pen. That's on that, so that goes like that. It's got to be like so, there, yes? I believe so. Just got to be level. Bit of a rough guess, mine, isn't it? I'll have to do this back. I might have to bolt this down so I get it properly, because obviously the battery cover goes on here, and that's got to sit on there. Spot on, isn't it? That's what I reckon. I'll draw a line. So, I thought I'd just line them up. Pen. Just to make sure, because obviously the old ones might be a bit warped. So if I line up that. That's totally different, that. See that? I was right, straight on that green line now. So that is on that. That goes like that. Yeah. Straight on the green line. There we go. So that's it on that. Like that. That's flush there. Does fit. There we go. Complete. Now, I'm gonna cut the saddles off the old ones. Which one's that? The big one. This one. So, can weld them into there. And cut all the saddles off. And spot welded them on. Yeah, my cousin can weld better than me, so I thought I'd let him have a go. But yeah, they're all on there, so that's good. They all fit. The tank brackets sit nicely in there, and they're all flush, so they'll sit in there perfect. So we're happy with that. Another step closer.